Hello, my name is Sadie and I am one of the co-founders of Environ along with my friend Siri. So today I'm going to show you a little bit about the code behind our website. Let's check it out. Originally, we programmed our site in an application called REPL, but we've moved it to GitHub for now so that it'll be easier to read. These are the different files in which our code is stored. We use different files because there are different languages being used here and many different pages on our website. So it's much easier if you know exactly which file to look in when you want to edit a particular piece of code. That makes it much easier to find any mistakes or bugs in the code and just keeps it a lot more organized. We use 3 different programming languages in our website: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which are usually used for web design. HTML is considered the backbone of the website, and we usually put that on first. It creates basically a template for the website and puts all of the content on the page. And then once you're done with HTML, you can add styles and movement to your page, but that requires other languages. This is what our HTML looks like. You can see that we've included links for the nav bar of our page, images, headings, and even a form. Now let's check out some CSS. CSS is used for design, and you can use it to add colors, fonts, and just overall format the page. Formatting the page was definitely one of the challenges we faced when programming our website. Often it can be hard to get items to line up in the same row with each other or align exactly as you would like them. But we were able to work together to get through these challenges. Finally, after adding our CSS, we added JavaScript, which in my opinion is the hardest of the coding languages. JavaScript is what adds motion and dynamics to the page. So with JavaScript, you can cause a button to actually perform a function, or you can get a form that actually takes user input. So this is the JavaScript function that allowed the users to upload their images when they wanted to create a post. And this was one of the hardest functions for us to create, because we'd actually never made something where the user could upload. Luckily, our instructors and our classmates gave us suggestions and helped us out through this challenge. We also had to make sure we stored what the user had uploaded, which we did in a variable. And so that allowed it to display on the page. It was definitely challenging working through that function, but in the end, we created one that could take whatever the user uploaded and display it on the page. So that was just a quick tour of everything in our code. No, it wasn't actually. Dummy.